You won't believe this. A 7-year-old made a creamy chicken coconut pasta. Watch this.
I'm going to teach her to make creamy coconut chicken pasta for the whole family. So show this to your children and we can all learn to make it together.
Seeing a child cooking confidently really inspires me to try new recipes at home. Now let's recreate using his recipes.
I must commend Auntie Nancy. She's doing a great job with her son. The first step is to boil our pasta in water that has salt added to it and cook until it's thin but not soft or mushy. Season your chicken with salt, pepper, curry, thyme. Seasoning cubes, I'm using Knorr.
Knorr chicken cubes, rich in flavor, gluten-free, perfect for quick, delicious meals. From Knorr.
Go in with your paprika. Voila! This is what you should have. If yours doesn't look like this, we need to talk. Heat oil or butter in a pan. Add the chicken and cook until golden brown and fully cooked. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, add your onion and garlic in a little oil or butter over medium heat until they release a nice smell. Stir until translucent. Go in with your seasoning, basil and white pepper. Stir and cook on low heat so you don't burn your spices. Go in with your tomato paste and cook until the sour taste is gone. Cook for 5 minutes on low to medium heat. Add your seasoning cube, paprika and black pepper. Stir, taste and adjust for salt if needed. Now add your carrot. Next, add your chicken. Your coconut milk goes in after 3 minutes. It should be slightly thick. Now, add the drained pasta and stir until it's well coated in the creamy sauce. Taste and adjust seasoning. Garnish with your parsley. Serve hot.
Thank you, Cheche, for this recipe. This is now my favorite food. Bye, online aunties and uncle. Please subscribe to my mommy's YouTube channel.